Hello, my name is James Spyro and we're here at KPMG's Work After Work. Now I'm joined with Alon Haimovich, Microsoft Israel Country General Manager. Alon, hi.
Hey James.
Thank you for taking the time.
Sure thing.
So you just came from on stage where you were talking about generative AI and some of the trends we can be expecting to see in the kind of months and years ahead. So tell me, what is it that we can expect to see and where are we today?
Yeah, I'll start with what I just tried to convey on stage. And the first thing to remember, it's not a trend. So the idea, and this is where I feel a bit of a messenger of the paradigm shift we are going through, is that everyone is pretty much familiar with ChatGPT. And we need to remember ChatGPT started for consumer. Now, the good thing is that if we remember the trend that used to be called BYOD, bring your own device, and the mobile, and so on and so forth, there was a terminology by the name of prosumer, the professional consumer. And this is exactly what is happening this day with ChatGPT. People at home, after they played a lot with this application, started to get used to it, and therefore they became very demanding in the way they are expecting to get new services, new employment experience, new customer experience. So we need to make sure we are providing the exact same, at least the exact same experience as supplier, as employee, and as a customer. Now, take me for instance as an employee of Microsoft. How ChatGPT or the application around AI, because ChatGPT is only one application out of many within the overall service that's called OpenAI, is how it changed our way of working on a daily basis. The first thing is that it helps us to do more with less, or how to address the hybrid work. So if you're familiar with our Teams application around productivity, the Teams application today, we have launched a new AI-based solution, which is Team Recap. I don't need to attend all the meetings. People can attend, I'm not. The system is recording everything, it's transcript everything, and the more important thing, it generates insight that is relevant only for Alon. Yeah. Another thing, now we are using the Copilot, which is basically take the ChatGPT application and embedded it within the solution, and I can ask the recording, what is James said in minute number 3 that you mentioned alone in the answer? And it will go to the insight, correlate it to the wider context, and it will give a very precise answer.
Okay, so that was great, first of all. Thank you. You gave a lot of examples of how it can be used for good.
As an employee.
As an employee, what are some of the ways that businesses can utilize it? And what are some of the ways that actually it can get a bit scary and maybe it can be misused? So how do we tackle those problems?
So now I started with Alon as an employer. Think about Alon as a customer of the banks in Israel or the healthcare or the education, just name it. So let's assume I want to take a mortgage. And we are taking the subject matter expert in mortgage and he conducting the consultancy meeting with me. He's basically using the AI as his co-pilot. Instead of summarizing the meeting, doing the follow-up, sending the summarization email, checking the customer sentiment, whether I'm going to take the mortgage or not, everything is being done by AI today. Think about pathology in the healthcare. You are usually waiting 6 months to get 60 pages that you have no clue what the doctor was speaking about. Now you can scan it all in few hours, use ChatGPT to ask whether I need to get worried for something. Now here is a bit sensitive area.
Yes, we are running out of time, so if you could quickly say some of the things that are spooky, and then we could...
this a recommendation about health care related issue is a bit spooky, right? And this is why, remember, it's only a recommendation. We need to be very with a lot of criticism to check the accuracy of the data still, until it will train itself.
And the algorithms as well, I guess they have to be open source. They should be open source so maybe we can see and scrutinize
It's
it a
not
bit more.
necessarily open source, but the good things around the algorithm is it educates himself. So just give him the opportunity to learn and be trained as much as possible.
That's great. Alon, I'm so sorry to cut you off. I could talk all day about this. It's super interesting.
Likewise.
But thank you so much.
Thank
and
you,
congrats
James.
again with your talk on stage.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.